What's up, gang? Sebastian from Overland Subaru International. I hope you're doing great. Wow. Today, it's all about ZEC des Martres in Charlevoix. So this is where we're going right now. I hope you're gonna like this episode and you're gonna be there until the end, because I have very good information which is coming up. Alright, so if you want to know the story about the ZEC des Martres and you're trying to find some information about it, because there's not much, to be honest with you. I looked at it, there's not much people who actually go there and report a lot of stuff. So I hope you're gonna like it, and let's start right now. Alright, so I've done a lot of research about the ZEC des Martres. I have a Subaru Forester over there. It's pretty, these hills are very high. We're talking about 1,000 meters when you're expecting to go somewhere. Now, if you look closely, I found two mountains, and this spot is actually pretty wide, and this is actually the goal for the weekend, to see if we could go there. This mountain is 1,000 meters and it's huge, high in the sky. Now, for people who actually live over there, you could see clearly what is, but for overlander like us, who doesn't know where we're going except on a little map on Gaia, this is actually what's going on, and this is actually very nice. These hills are pretty inclined, so the problem is the Subaru might not go all the way through. This is actually one of the issue. Now the other thing is, my father, he's holding a beautiful trailer, and this is another problem. Now the thing is, he's not going to be able to actually go all around with this trailer. Now the thing is, I'm gonna give you the bonus of where that is into the end of the video. I hope so you're gonna like it for that part. All right, so that was a little recap of actually the beginning of our weekend. Now this is actually what you saw in last video last Friday. Now today it's gonna be all about this beautiful mountain, the White Mountain we're gonna see. So that's gonna be very nice, and I'm gonna show you at the end where that is, as I said. Now this place is just amazing. So we're gonna start with the information about this place, how to get there. First thing first, I need to come down from the first mountain. Alright, so little information about this big white mountain. It looks like something like salt. Right now it's actually quartz, and this is actually very nice. This mine is there for quite a bit now, and it's quite huge. According to the information I got on the internet, this is actually there for quite a bit. Now, not only that, mine is right inside of the ZEC des Martres. Eventually, you'll see it's pretty rough for somebody who wants to go there, because there's huge hill, and for the Forester, there's no low range. So this is actually quite difficult. So as you can see right now, this mountains, we need to come down from the first one, and then we go to the next one. But this next one is pretty rough. Then we're doing some exploration, and at the end we're gonna meet this beautiful white mountains at the end. So stick around, look exactly what that is. If you have any questions, please comment below. And yeah, this is a one-of-a-kind episode. Yep. Going back. After many miles, not kilometers. 381 is over there, and we are up here at we were at the 1,000 meter, but now, yeah, 916, and we're going down, going back. I'm starving. Well, I achieved the maximum I could do with the Subi. So this is actually what's going on here. Fucking nice. Unbelievable. It's spectacular. Now, this is the situation. Okay, now the camera is angled 90 degrees from the ground. So now if I want to go this way, I need to upright the camera, and this thing is 45-degree angle. Now the thing is, I tried, it's not working. Even though I got some swing, I could go up to the middle over there, and that's it. It's not going further. So Frank went down, went up, but it's not working for me. So yeah, unfortunately. Alright, so that was our Sunday, and now let's go back to the camp for supper and have the dinner all together. Rain, unfortunately, we got that day. It was supposed to be all day long, but finally we got it just at the end. We're crossing our finger it's not going to be the same thing for tomorrow if we gonna visit this big huge mine of quartz. That's gonna be for the Monday, and we got some blasts. My sister, the boyfriend came down, joined the family, and this is actually the next morning. A beautiful sunrise at 6 o'clock a.m. It's just amazing. Check out the lake over there, and you could see almost the cloud on the lake directly. I shut the drone up, and it was just amazing. Yep, another beautiful morning at the camp, and as you can see right now, drone is in the air, and we got a beautiful blue sky and just amazing. Today, Monday, it's going to be a slow pace. However, it's going to be nice. We want to enjoy our last day over there. Now, father and mother, they're still sleeping. I'm trying not to make so much noise with the drone and everything. That's why I'm going in the air. And look at that beautiful lake we're just in France. It's just amazing. That's the lake you saw last Friday. I went with the paddleboard. We're gonna explore this beautiful mountains and the Quartz Mountain. What the heck? Kasama na My goodness! Unreal! Check the view! This is unfreaking real. Ooh la la. That's marble. Alright. Yeah. Holy smoky! Oh, please! Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Holy wow! Yes, yeah, my ear. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's it. All right, check the view. Check. This is actually quartz. looks like quartz. Maybe I'm not a scientist. It looks like quartz. Very nice. Check this big truck right there, huh? Yep, that's nice. That's nice. Nobody was working because it was holidays. And now we're going on the other mountains. It's a little trail like that. The truck normally take between the two mountains to actually do the relay. And finally Frank asked me, why don't you take off the drone here and see like what we have in between these two mountains. And finally the drone was not even working, so we couldn't have any footage during the times that was actually going, so unfortunately. Yep, that's the place we're going. And as you can see right now, I'm gonna take a little bit more speed because we're going up the hill. And as you know, Subaru, there's no low range, so we need to actually speed up a bit to get higher, unfortunately. So lucky we have a beautiful road like that, and it's pretty hard. Okay, we were over there. The road goes around, and here, what? Check the view. It's amazing. All right. On top of the world. Fucking windy. It's freaking windy. We finally got it. Finally. We achieved actually what we wanted. And to be on that mountain, it's actually a dream came true. This is actually the return actually we're doing back home. So unfortunately there was a truck and a big loader, and they closed the rest of the mine itself, so you can't go further than that. So I'll show you a picture of that loader. It's a pretty huge one. So yeah, we need to actually go back, and this is actually what's going on right now. Frank decided to actually move along, and I'm just gonna meet him just further down. And it's kind of funny to look at him, and just on that windy road like that, it's very nice. And this road is pretty good conditions, no correlations, because you know this road is well maintained in terms of road itself, rocky road, and it's between these two mountains. So this is the place to be. If you want to go there, just make sure you don't have any problems with the authority or whatsoever, and double check the land you're on it. You could find it on Gaia GPS. If you want to have more information, just write down the information down below into the video. And for now, us, it's actually on the way back. And here's a couple of pictures. You're gonna see it on the Instagram, and there's many more, but this is actually the Overland Subaru International Instagram. Other things, and there's also O'Neill Outdoor. I'm just gonna leave a link right now into it. And yeah, otherwise than that, the road on the way back is the same as the way in, and pretty rocky, but it's very possible to do. And over there you could take amazing picture. And for sure, yeah, you need to actually be careful of where you're going and what you do over there. This still be a ZEC, however, this is wide open. So yeah, just leave no trace. That's what it is. That's the main idea. Now these drone shots are almost the last one I did. As you can see, it's wide open in terms of trees and everything. There's that beautiful beach we went Saturday. It was just amazing. This is actually the drone footage, and all around you could actually there's a couple of roads who actually wind around, and beautiful lakes on side to side. So there's tons of activities you could do. That the weekend we were there, it's actually the hunting season during September, but otherwise than that, if you go during summer times, there's a tons of activities. You could actually go hiking, Mont Dome. You could also the Lac des Cygnes hiking also. And if you want to fishing, as long as you have your fishing license, you're good to go. These are my parents, by the way. So these are mostly the last picture we took until we need to go back home. It's Monday, and to come back in Montreal, it took 5 hours. Just to give you a heads up, from Montreal down the way to this. I'm dead, tired. It was a magnificent weekend. As you can see, there's plenty of drone shots. The quartz mine was just mind-blowing, and right now we're going back home. So right now it's raining all day. It was actually super nice. So yeah, I'm not complaining. Quebec City 59 kilometers, us at least 400. Sorry, my friend is talking. Yep, pouring rain. That's good. Are you vlogging? Yes, I am. So, yeah. Please, if you went all the way down to that video, please comment what you think into the mine. What was that particular rock? Is that marble? Is that quartz? Or it's salt? I got the answer. I'm gonna give you the answer down the comments. All right. So, guys, I hope you did like it. I know it's gonna be a long video, a very long video. So yeah, plenty of fun at the ZEC. You could do some hike, whatever. Mount Dome, Mount Lac des Cygnes, Mount Morios. So these are very nice hiking you can do over there. Plus, you could actually go fishing, hunting, quad, and side by side a lot. That was the perfect place to be and explore. The next week will be Montagne Noire. It's gonna be a short video, but we're going into the mine over there. So just, you know, a little heads up of actually what's gonna happen. And I have some beautiful drone footage also from that. So that's what it is. Thank you very much for choosing Overland Subaru International. Have a good day. See you next time.